So today we're going out. We're gonna see something that we've never done before. Only my dad has seen it, and it's gonna be really awesome. So we're gonna be trying to see the snowy owl. That's what we're gonna be seeing. See you when we're there.
That used to be called the Shockwave, the green one that does the loop-de-loop.
I would do it.
Oh, you have to climb stairs to get to Six Flags.
Done.
Awesome, look at it, y'all.
We found the snowy owl. It's here at this hotel. There's so many people here.
It is awesome. I've never seen one this good. The one I saw at dusk, and it was a late light. You just saw it on the lights of trucks and stuff. This one's gonna be awesome.
It's awesome. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Pissed off too.
So there is a lot of people looking at the snowy owl, and there was this shout out to Christian Walker, very nice guy. He let us look through his scope, and it was really cool. It was like almost like we were looking at it if it was just a few feet away from us. And that is my first snowy owl that I've ever seen, so that's pretty cool. So we saw the bird, and now we're starving, so we want to go get something to eat.
Where are we going?
Probably Chick-fil-A, I think.
Chick-fil-A, there's Panda Express.
Chick-fil-A!
Oh, there's a bird.
So, change of plans. We're going to Cheddar's. Hashtag non-sponsored. So, we just got finished eating, we're all fueled up, and now we're going to Cabela's. So we just left Cabela's. Today was a gloomy, foggy, really cold day, but you still got to go outside and enjoy nature by seeing the awesome snowy owl. So all I want to say is get out and Hampton out.